fishnet out here looking for bait. Feel like a spot where bait should be at. Here's the move. I think she's just having fun driving now. Over here. I don't know if that's showing up on camera, but that is litter like a mug. Trees.
We probably get a better
Just said tree and she rolled like fuck it.
Look at this. This is smart. Oh, that crap.
Garbage everywhere, y'all. Trying to find a spot to throw the rod at. Something behind me. Yeah, I got the seat button. Trying to find a spot we can fish at. I ain't driving today, she driving.
I see one lonely fish.
Hey, yeah. Yeah. Ah, man, I wish I could zoom in. It is dirty than a motherfucker over there. Like the whole land is just garbage. Plastic bottles, litter. I wonder where all that shit come from. And how it end up all over here.
What is that floating?
Bottles. Let's go somewhere else, Chief.
Yeah.
Open in that lane. Come on, stop. I'll go back and say. You about to go in over here. Slow the fuck down. When you bounce the fuck out. That's what she get. She trying to be ass and get me bouncing around. Splashed her goddamn self. Look at that. I don't like ugly. Look at all that goddamn water right here. It just on her ass. Hey. Over here trying to get me bouncing that crazy. Nah, she. Oh shit.
It made good content.
Content my ass. Like doing the content.
We get some clicks.
Bucket click.
Get some views.
Bucket click. Come on, click. Jump over there. Like a cock.
Here, carp.
Camera person got the camera all over the place. Got one right here looking for cat. Got a big head chunk on it. I caught something off here before, so I'm trying that again.
The head chunk is not that bad.
That's a nice size head chunk.
No, it's not. Quite an exaggeration.
She acting like catching sharks out here or something like we eat a big cat head or something. What they got in the lake right here, that head chunk was mighty big enough.
Yeah, if you want to catch a baby. Show your legs. Let's see some.
I don't need views that bad. If I show a little 5 meter, I wonder what my subscribers go with. A couple of motherfuckers will probably unfollow my ass.
Try your luck. You might get some additional followers.
Thumbnail and shit.
You might get some additional followers. Who knows?
Tell her, she's concerned about my followers. She be showing a little leg on here. She ain't too concerned about it.
I got followers in real life. I don't need no additional followers.
About to switch to another spot. So this is a demonstration of how stable this boat is. I'm just dangling on here with my feet in the water. And I ain't a lightweight. 203 pounds.
You're exaggerating. You're not 200.
197. I lost a few pounds.
Add additional weight.
To prove the point. Boat is quite stable. People ask me that. That's one of the main reasons I got this one. I ain't want to be wobbly all on it. And from the research I did, this is pretty stable. Alright, this location on this lake is ass. We should be moving to another spot.
So gone.
But then again, I'm really enjoying the weather and the water.
Good company too, might I add.
She alright. She alright. She alright. So I ain't gonna complain too much. Catch y'all at the next spot.
Toodles. Figure it out some other time. Too far to be paddling. I believe it's getting gas. Not sure what it is. Let us put home like this.
gave it an oil change. Good folks, I just encountered an issue while I'm out and about. Running the motor on my way home and it started stalling out a little bit on me. For the time being, comfortably, it goes up to like 5 miles an hour. Shoot, I got like a mile distance I gotta go to pull her up, break it down, but let me know in the comments what y'all think it is. I'm pretty sure it's a cylinder. I'm gonna start looking into it.